Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AMRN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis several times in the past, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. But after today's very nice movement, some updates here need to be done. First, what I'm going to do here is do a little house cleaning and get rid of this line down here. Sure, that level still pertains to the chart, just not relevant right now. And from a presentation point of view, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible going forward. The first update, though, that does need to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So going into today, that $17 mark had been pretty stubborn, but not only did the price get up above it today, more importantly, the price was able to maintain up above it. So at this point, $17 becomes the ideal level of support. Ideal meaning, if you were to say, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? Definitely if the price can stay up above the 17 mark. With that being said, though, it's not like if the price falls below 17, that implies the entire chart's destroyed or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay above there, that would definitely be a massive sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play. The 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. That right there being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. How you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying up above 17 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance going forward? For this, going to have to squeeze down the chart here a little bit. Good problem to have. Goes to show that it's been several weeks since the price has been up this high. So next key overall level to keep an eye on from the resistance side of things, right up there around $17.45-50, right up around that area of the chart. But what matters the most is what the price has been doing a great job of, and that is that right there. Just continuing to chip away and build those higher bases. So as long as those higher bases are built, or if you want to picture those as stair steps, so as long as the stair steps continue in the upwards direction, then just sit back and let the overall trend continue to do its thing.
One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.